Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Kia Grand Carnival, stock reference number 4527. This shape runs from the first month 2006 through the 5th month 2010. It has a G6DA 3.8 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. G6DA 3.8 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the left hand side. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, right hand headlight, left door mirror does have the clear coat peeling. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch steel rims. The left rear has a good tyre. Tailgate has one small dent, non-power lift type, non-camera type. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Right rear door, two small dents and a few light wobbles. Right front door, all three small dents and light wobbles. Right guard has one small dent. Right power door mirror has some paint peeling. And a right front 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Automatic type gear shifter, heater controls. Single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, mirror type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.